Hello everyone, this is Arthur from Joyshine Machinery. Today I'm going to show you how to do the installation, operation and maintenance of the automatic French fries production line. This is the first machine, elevating conveyor. It is for elevating the fresh potatoes into the next machine. And this is the second machine, potato peeling machine. It is for peeling the potatoes. And this is the third machine, the picking line. It is for removing the defective potatoes manually. And this is the fourth machine, French fries cutting machine. It is for cutting the potatoes into French fries. And this is the fifth machine, pre-washing elevator. It is for pre-washing the French fries and elevating the fries into the next machine. And the next machine is the French fry sorting machine. It is for removing the small pieces. And the next machine is a bubble washing machine. It is for washing off the surface starch of the French fries. And the next machine is a blanching machine. It is for blanching the French fries and maintaining the original color. And the next machine is the vibrating dewatering machine. It is for removing the surface water and distributing the French fries evenly. And the next machine is air drying line. It is for the dewatering purpose for the French fries. And the next machine is elevating conveyor. It is for elevating the French fries into the next machine. And the next machine is a continuous frying machine. It is for frying the French fries. And the next machine is the vibrating deoiling machine. It is for removing the surface oil of the French fries. And the next machine is air drying line. It is for deoiling and cooling purpose for the French fries. And this is the last machine, elevating conveyor. It is for elevating the French fries into the freezing machine. Now I will start from the first machine, the elevating conveyor. When you receive this machine, you need to put it at the proper place. And then you need to adjust these 4 feet at the bottom. Adjust the 4 feet to contact the floor, so the machine will not move. This is electric control box. Now I will show you the cable connection. You need to connect the main cable here. And then power on. Close the electric box. Press the start button. And check the running of the belt. While adjusting the speed during the operation, press the acceleration button is to increase the speed. And this button is to slowing down the speed. If there's an emergency, press this button and the machine will stop. And this is the power indicator. This is the transducer panel. Normally, no need to adjust this panel. It connects with the transducer inside. Now you can put the potatoes into the feeding hopper. And the operator should make sure the feeding is even. And you can also adjust the speed of the belt by operating the transducer here. Now I will show you how to do the maintenance for the machine. Every week you should check all the connection inside the electric control box. We need to check the button, and also you need to tighten these bolts. If this fuse is broken, open here and take the old one and replace with a new one. If something falling inside, you can clean them out from this hose. After long time using, the belt may be loose. You need to adjust this tensioning device here to tighten the belt. You need to add gear oil to the reducer every year. This is the gear oil adding port. Every year, you can open it and check if there's enough gear oil inside. If it's not enough, you can add some gear oil, but not too full.
This is potato washing and peeling machine. When you receive it, just put it in proper place so that it can connect with the first elevator. Adjust this 4 feet to touch your ground. And then connect the cable here to connect the water pipe. And here to connect the pipe to drain out the wastewater. Turn on the speed of the screw. We can adjust the discharging speed. Here is the hand wheel. Please remember, you can only adjust it when the screw is running. No operation when stopped. Clockwise, faster. Counterclockwise, slower. For first time using, we suggest you to adjust the screw speed, the slowest speed. According to your different potatoes, make it faster or slower. Now we can start to test the peeling machine. First, start the elevator. When this area is full of potatoes, stop it. Turn on the brush rollers. Open the water. After several minutes peeling, turn on the screw. And you can adjust the discharging speed according to the peeling effect. When potatoes comes out, turn on the first elevator and adjust the speed to make sure it can continuously working. When you finish one shift, you need to open these 2 doors to take out the waste. After long time using, the brushes may fall down to one side. At this time, you need to heat it with hot water. It will recover. For these 2 reducers, if you cannot see oil from this window, you need to add gear oil from here, and also this one from here. Normally once a year.
Now I will show you how to do the maintenance for the transmission part. For this pulley belt, after long time using, it may be loose. You need to adjust this bolt to make it tight. For the chain belt, it may be loose after long time using. You need to adjust this bolt to make it tight. You also need to add lubricating grease on the chains every half month to 1 month. For all these bearings, they all need to be added lubricating oil every 3 months.
This is our new potato washing and peeling machine. This is the control box. This one to turn on the brush roller. Stop the brush roller. Turn on the screw. Stop the screw. This one to control the screw speed through transducer. Open the control box. Connect the cable here. Compared to old machine, this new design is open. You can collect the waste at any time, and it is movable.
This is the picking line. After you receive the picking line, you put the picking line near the peeling machine. Put the picking line on the level ground and screw this 4 feet to support the machine. Make sure it's stable with the machine work. Now I will introduce how to connect the power supply. Connect the supply here. After connect power supply, press this button. The machine will work. Worker will stand both inside of the machine and picking out qualified potatoes and deliver the good potato to next cutting machine. You can adjust the proper speed of the belt by these two buttons. If something falling down, we can put it out from this hood. If the belt loose, we can tighten it here. The fuse replacement same as the elevator. The motor and reducer maintenance same as the elevator.
Next, we go to the French fries cutting machine. Because this production line has two sets of French fries cutting machine, so we place these two machines like this. They are connecting with the picking line by this sliding chute. When you receive this machine, you need to put it at the proper place and then connect the cable with power supply and then press the start button and check the rotation direction of the machine to make sure it is the same with the discharging direction. If it is not, you need to switch any two of the wires here. During the operation, make sure the potatoes go to the machine one by one and check the discharging side. Make sure all the French fries will fall to the water tank. Now I will show you how to do the maintenance for the French fries cutting machine. After a long time using, the belt may be loose. You need to take off the cover and check the belt. You can replace it or tension it. If you want to cut other sides, you need to change the blade. Remove this blade. Before installing the new blade, you need to adjust here to make sure this distance is the same to this distance between two blades. These blades are very sharp, so please be very careful when you're replacing the blades. Now we have come to the pre-washing elevator. After you receive this machine, you need to put it at the proper place, and then you need to adjust this 4 feet at the bottom to contact the ground to make sure the machine is stable. Then you need to connect this wastewater drainage port and this overflow gap to one pipeline. You need to connect the main cable here. This port can be connected with a freshwater pipe. Now I will show you how to operate this machine. First, you need to fill clean water into this tank and then press the start button. And you can adjust the operating speed of the belt by pressing these buttons. Please remember, do not open the water supply for this pipe during the operation. It is only for the cleaning purpose. You need to change the water every 8 hours, and you can clean up the waste from this port. For the maintenance of the control box and the motor and reducer, it is the same with the elevating conveyor. Every week you need to check the belt. If it is loose, you can take off this cover and you will find the tensioner to tension the belt.
This is a fries sorting machine. When you receive it, put the